Hello, I'm Vihanga, and we are team Eliminators, and I'll be responsible for the iPhone portrait. So when it comes to the eye-catching intro to our mobile web app, this is what we have. So from this we go directly to our website, and here we have the home page. As you can see, the logo, and we have a hamburger menu as well, and here we have some sort of pictures, and then a bit more introduction to our website, and then a bit of highlights about the last year fashion shows and other events and things. And then we have our short video that we have incorporated to our website, and uh, then a bit more of our gamification process here, and we could also purchase tickets, and then a bit of about our sponsors, and then comes our footer. And then when it comes, I'm mainly responsible for the point of interest, so we'll just straightly go to that. Alright, so here we have the point of interest uh, for the event, and as you can see, we can there are 4 filters, and here we can actually these are some of the point of interest, and could actually click this, and it will show more about the specific point of interest, and we have the title, and we have an image, and then a description, and also we are showing some extended description as well by clicking show more, and you can also make it less, and here we have the incorporate the QR code, and you can also we also have the facility to make it favor, so add it to our favorite list. So if we go to location, it will show the map. uh, yeah. And then a bit more about our gamification process. So our gamification is basically a treasure hunt. So this is our gamification, and we basically came up with a treasure hunt where you could uh, enter a QR code of a particular place where you have visited, and after you scan the code using after pressing this button and using this QR scanner, it will give you points for those places, and then you could actually go to the points table, and you can go through the amount of points that you have earned, and according to total points you can get some benefits and other kind of perks, and so this is the instruction for the game, and a bit more about the game, and like just for general information. So yeah, so this gives the current points. This also includes like the POIs. Uh, so yeah, and one more other thing that I was responsible for was the favorite list, and that is all the we could go to either events or the members or POIs, and we can add specific places or point of interest to the favorite list, and so those things that have been added to the favorite list will be shown here. So you can see we have one point of interest that has been favorited, and you can see there's some more. After the favorite list of POIs, we'll also check booking form. So we will try to purchase a ticket. So to purchase a ticket, you could either go from the hamburger menu and click here, or you could go down and click purchase tickets. So the purchase ticket comes in three progress bars, three forms. So first you need to click your personal details, and you can add these details. So we are going to add some sample data, and then the second step would be to give like the event details, like what type of ticket you need to buy and the location, and any special requests that you want to add, and then you can proceed to the next. And this is the final step where you try to you go use we have Stripe integration where you we are forwarded to a third party application where we could give in our account details or card number and all other details that is needed to successfully do the payment. And then you have to click pay. So this will actually pay the amount and redirect us back to our mobile page, and it will give a successful message as well. So yeah, and as you can see, compared to the iPad and the iPhone landscape orientation, this is integrated so that it fits to the portrait side of the iPhone. So yeah, that's about it. I will hand it over to the next team member.
I'm Rehan from Team Elemonators. Uh, I'm, I'm responsible for iPhone landscape. This is eye-catching intro to our mobile web application. Uh, First, we go to our home page. In here, we can see several uh, images related to Fashion Week, and there's highlights, some integrated uh, fashion show video, and uh, and we have a gamification also. So if anyone willing to come and see the fashion week, uh, we can also join with the uh, treasure hunt, and also we can purchase a ticket, and we have some brands here. uh, and let's go to event page. uh, we have shows, catwalks, talks, and product introductions as events. In here we can filter some shows and talks, and if anyone likes uh, talks, he or she can but like this event, and it's go to a favorite list, and we can expand the description via the show more or show more tab, and we can see the event location in the particular maps. Let's go to the favorite list. In here there are several favorite lists, point of interest, events, news, and members. Then also the users can rating the events and send email whatever he or she want. Let's go to the About page. In About page, it's basically have uh, all the information about the Westminster Fashion Week. If anyone wants to contact us, and go to contact page and send an email with their names and some messages. And this is the location where we located.
My name is Jason and I'm responsible for the iPad portrait. This is our intro to the web page, and once you click on visit website, it directs you to the home page. And this is the slideshow that is available at the top of the page, and once you scroll down you get the highlights, which navigates you to different sections of the website. And this is an incorporated video that we have on the home page. You also get a shortcut to the gamification area and also the purchase tickets area with the sponsors mentioned below. And next I will show you the news page, or the events page rather. And this is the list, drop down accordion list that provides all the information about a specific event, and also the show more and the show less functionality. And you can also filter the events by either shows or catwalks or talks. And once you click on one, and you can also view the location of each of these events. Next I will show you the gamification part of the application, which is basically a treasure hunt where you scan the QR code, and according to what you scan you get a number of points. So you get instructions on how to play the game, about the game, and also the points table that shows the points breakdown of how many points you have and how you got them.
Hello, I'm Lakindu from Team Elemonators, and I will be covering the iPad landscape mod. So to start off, we have the intro page, which will incorporate with the video and to enter the site with a good introduction. So when you enter the site, as you can see the home page, how it looks, and you have the highlights where you will be going to point of interest, events, news, and team members. And you have an short incorporated video as well. And yeah. So from my side, I think I'll be mostly covering the team members part page. So here we have 4 team members, and we have set up filters for each of them, and you can clear it out. And if you want to add someone to your favorite list, you just have to add from the add the heart button, and it will add you to the favorite list. And then you have locations of each person's office premises, and then you have the reviews. Yeah, we'll be getting the system responses as well. And for the each person you can review them, and you have a see more button where short and extended descriptions will be shown. And then I think I need to cover up the content in the POI for 4 of them. So as you can see, there are 16 which have done by my teammates. You can see each one of them incorporates with a location and a QR code, short extended version, and map. So you can add them to your favorite list, and it will show in your favorite list as well. As you can see here, this is where all the favorite list will be shown. So you can see the one the team members, it is shown here as well. And then I think I'll be covering the gamification part. You can see the gamification. You just need to scan this QR code, and then it will show you the success messages, and my team members will cover it up. So as a team member 4, I have to cover the marks, which is in the point table, which is record the marks in the point table. So these marks will be calculated dynamically. When you add each POI, it will be adding up to here. So this is covered with the uh, PHP and using PHP and JavaScript. So that's it from my side. Thank you.